everyone, I am Malvika Malvia.
Special educator at Global India International School, Noida. Today, as a part of GIS Knowledge Cafe series, I will be talking about the importance of language and literacy development in children. Parents, did you know the importance of role of language and literacy development for child's growth? Well, language development involves the development of skills used to communicate with others through languages, while literacy development involves the ability to read and write. Language and literacy development supports the ability of the child to communicate, express, and understand feelings. Not only this, it also enhances the thinking ability and helps them to develop and maintain relationships, whether it is in a classroom or in a social gathering. According to me, one of the best ways to encourage and boost your child's speech and language skills is to talk. Talk to your child about the things that interest them, like favorite cartoon characters, about their playtime, and friends. Make the interaction interesting and keep responding to them so that they feel encouraged to talk. Slowly and gradually, you will see a progress as they start interacting with unknown people as well. The second thing which plays a vital role in language and literacy development is pre-writing skills. I know there's a lot of apprehensions in your mind about pre-writing skills, so I will make it easier. Pre-writing skills are the fundamental skills children need to develop before they are able to write. These skills contribute to the child's ability to hold and use a pencil, to draw, to write, copy, or color. Now, I will share with you the building blocks necessary to develop writing readiness: hand and finger strength, pincer grip, hand-eye coordination, visual perception, hand dominance. Further to this, I have observed that parents have common questions like what activities can help and improve writing readiness, or you can say pre-writing skills. So here are a few suggestions from my side. Threading and lacing with a variety of sized laces. Play-Doh, I think this is the best activities. That involves rolling with hands or a rolling pin, hiding objects such as coin in the Play-Doh or such just a creative construction. Drawing or writing on vertical surface. Tracing simple patterns like standing, sleeping or slanting lines. Everyday activities that require finger strength such as opening or closing of containers and jars. Finger games to practice specific finger movement such as Incy Wincy Spider. Involve them in craft activities like making things using old boxes, egg cartons, wool, paper, etc. Construction games like building with Legos, blocks or other such type of toys. These are the great ways to help your child improve his and her pre-writing skills. So basically, for the child's overall development, language plays a vital role. I hope this video will be helpful to you. I wish you a great day. Please stay safe and thank you so much.